Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Madam. My name is Mary Ann A. Agustin, 25 years old. Single. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I am third among the family.
Are you afraid of pets like dog or cats?
No, Madam, I'm not afraid of pets.
Do you have any experience working in other country?
No, Madam, I don't have any experience working in other country, but I have experience working in the Philippines. I took care 5 years old girl for almost 3 years. And I do household chores.
Do you know how to take care newborn baby?
Yes, Madam. I know how to take care newborn baby.
Do you know how to take care elderly?
No, Madam, I don't know how to take care elderly, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, Madam, I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn.
Are you willing to work with other maid?
Yes, Madam, I'm willing to work with other maid.
Would you mind if your holiday will fixed by the employer?
Yes, Madam, no problem.
Can you sing children's song?
Yes, Madam. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.